Yes, welcome to this topic. This is natural drug extraction, purification of these natural drugs. Having learned the previous topics about natural sources of natural drugs, and the previous one, there's no plants that are used to treat natural, but are used to treat diseases or conditions in animals or humans. So there's need for us to understand how do we extract that exact active ingredient from those plants. We take an example, neem tree. Neem tree is medicinal, but not the whole part. It has an active ingredient. That's more potency, which is more therapeutic. So we must understand how do we now extract that particular active ingredient. And this is what this topic will be dealing about. In natural drug extraction, extraction basically means the process of obtaining the active ingredient from your natural drug. That's what extraction means. We have two types of methods that we can use to extract natural drugs. One is the conventional methods, then the non-conventional methods. Conventional methods, these are old methods of extraction. Take an example of sublimation, fractional distillation. Those are some of the old methods of extracting natural drugs. We have seen how people prepare crude or how prepare alcohol through distillation, the fractional distillation. That's one of the methods can be used. Other methods that are conventional include maceration, whereby you get your drug, maybe the leaves, put in a beaker, add water, then stir, then you keep it for 7 days. After 7 days, you get your drug, you decant. Then now the liquid will be now containing the medicinal drugs. That's another method which is conversion. Apart from maceration, we have methods like percolation, whereby the percolation involves macerating, inhibition, packing, and again now the drug will now be kept for 24 hours. It is more similar like maceration, but the difference is in time and the quality. Other methods of extracting drugs include soxylate. In soxylate, we apply alcohol, we apply heat. In soxylate extraction, we apply heat and we use instruments. An example is a soxylate, whereby it works on the principle of continuous siphoning and reflux. Where there is heat, the drug will continue to reflux and then you'll be collecting it continuously. It is used more if it is industrial purpose. Other methods of extracting drugs include MAE, which is microwave assisted extraction, whereby we get the drug, we put it into a microwave. Then we set our microwave, then we shall now obtain the active ingredient. Other ones include the ultrasound extraction. To talk about these extraction methods into details. Welcome to this topic.